Whether you're sourcing meat from your own hunting adventures or buying in bulk from a cooperative, a reliable meat grinder is a valuable addition to your kitchen. Meat grinders come in a range of sizes and capabilities, from compact attachments for stand mixers to powerful commercial units that can process large quantities of meat. Selecting the right meat grinder can be challenging, but understanding your specific needs can help narrow down the options. We compiled a list of the top meat grinders on the market currently, each with varying horsepower and features. All these models are capable of transforming meat into ready-to-cook portions efficiently. Whether you're looking for a grinder for occasional single servings or for processing large volumes of game, there's an ideal meat grinder to suit your needs. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. LEM Big Bite Number 22. The LEM Big Bite Number 22 is designed for serious meat processing aficionados. With its robust 1-horsepower motor, it effortlessly handles tough sinew and large chunks of meat. Constructed from stainless steel, this heavy-duty grinder can process 13 pounds of meat per minute, making it ideal for processing multiple deer or other animals. It is perfect for making burger, sausage, and other meat products in bulk. The LEM Big Bite Number 22 is compatible with the LEM optional foot pedal attachment, accepts very large pieces of meat, and has a large meat pan that accommodates 10 to 12 pounds of meat. However, its user interfaces are high and far apart, which can require 2 people to feed the machine and stuff, depending on the operator's height and wingspan. Additionally, the guard in the meat pan is very difficult to clean around. This grinder is suited for individuals with a dedicated meat processing space or a strong passion for food processing. The Big Bite Number 22 works at a fast pace, efficiently grinding large quantities of meat. For optimal use, feed the grinder with thick, long strips of meat and fill the meat pan to maximize efficiency. Ensure you have plenty of meat to grind before starting, as the cleaning process can be time-consuming. The grinder has a meat pan height of 18 3/4 inches, which can pose a challenge when attempting to stuff burger or casings with one person. A step stool may be necessary to achieve the right leverage for effective use. Number 4. Cabela's Carnivore Commercial Grade 1.5 HP Grinder. The Cabela's Carnivore Commercial Grade 1.5 HP Grinder is a powerful and robust option for those needing high-volume meat processing capabilities. Featuring a 1.5 horsepower motor and a grind plate size of 3.875 inches, this grinder is constructed from durable stainless steel and designed for commercial use. It comes equipped with both coarse and fine grind plates, sausage and snack stick stuffing tubes, and a cooling ice pack to maintain optimal performance during extended use. The Cabela's Carnivore grinder is ideal for quickly processing large chunks of meat, making it perfect for hunters or anyone who processes substantial quantities of meat regularly. The powerful motor ensures that the grinder can handle any type of meat without hanging up. Additionally, the grinder includes a freeze pack jacket for the grinding tube, which helps to prevent the heat generated during grinding from cooking the meat. By placing the jacket in the freezer overnight and then clamping it around the grind tube, users can effectively manage the heat and maintain meat quality. This grinder also features a convenient storage drawer under the fan-cooled motor, allowing easy access to accessories such as the sausage stuffing tubes and augers, as well as the fine and coarse grind plates. The grind plate ring is easily removable, simplifying the cleaning process. However, the grinder's power and size can be overkill for smaller tasks, and performing a second grind can be slow and labor-intensive. Number 3. Meat Number 22 1 HP Grinder. The Meat Number 22 1 HP Grinder is a top choice for those who require a heavy-duty meat grinder capable of handling substantial quantities of meat with ease. With a powerful 1-horsepower motor and a grind plate size of 3.25 inches, this commercial-grade grinder is constructed from durable stainless steel. It includes both coarse and fine grind plates as well as sausage stuffing tubes, making it versatile for various meat processing tasks. Ideal for high-volume grinding, the Meat Number 22 is simple to assemble, use, and clean. It excels at quickly grinding large chunks of meat, which is especially beneficial for those who need to process significant amounts of game, such as moose, bear, or caribou. The robust motor ensures that even sizable pieces of meat up to 3 inches in diameter and over a foot long, are processed efficiently without binding up, regardless of the presence of tendons or silver skin. While this grinder performs exceptionally well for initial grinding, it does slow down when performing a second grind with the fine grind plate, likely due to the large diameter tube. Keeping the meat partially frozen might help speed up the second grinding process. Despite this minor drawback, the Meat No. 22 remains an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable, high-capacity meat grinder. Additionally, the grinder comes with sausage stuffing tubes, and there is a convenient pull-out drawer under the base for storing accessories. This makes the Meat No. 22 not only powerful and efficient, but also user-friendly and organized, making it one of the best meat grinders for heavy use and high-volume meat processing. Number 2. LEM Mighty Bite No. 8. The LEM Mighty Bite No. 8 is the best all-purpose meat grinder, thanks to its versatile functionality and solid construction. This compact grinder, with a 500-watt motor and aluminum build, offers settings for grinding, stuffing, and reversing, making it suitable for a variety of meat processing tasks. The LEM Mighty Bite No. 8 is designed for manageability. It is sleek, lightweight, and features a black plastic carrying handle for easy transport. This grinder is compatible with the optional LEM foot pedal attachment, which can be purchased separately. For solo operations, using a foot pedal is convenient as it allows hands-free control over the grinding process. The Mighty Bite No. 8 efficiently handles strips of venison and pork, cutting through chilled venison with no audible change in motor function. Heavier pieces of pork, but with higher fat content, may momentarily slow down the grinder, but it quickly resumes its steady pace. The transition to stuffing is smooth and consistent, albeit not the fastest. This grinder is ideal for processing one deer at a time, making it less suitable for handling multiple animals in one session. However, its efficiency and ease of use make it a great choice for quick grind sessions and for experimenting with new techniques and recipes. Cleaning up after use is hassle-free. All washable components fit easily into a single basin sink for a thorough hot soak, simplifying the cleaning process compared to larger grinders. Number 1. KitchenAid Metal Food Grinder. The KitchenAid Metal Food Grinder is an excellent choice for versatile and efficient meat grinding. Designed to work seamlessly with your KitchenAid stand mixer, this grinder can handle a variety of foods including meat, dried bread, cheeses, and vegetables. It comes with sausage stuffer tubes and coarse, medium, and fine plates, making it suitable for a range of grinding tasks. One of the standout features of the KitchenAid Metal Food Grinder is its sleek, elegant design, which requires minimal storage and operation space. All the grinding components are made of metal, ensuring durability and performance. Additionally, the grinder includes a handy cleaning brush, making post-use cleanup straightforward. A unique aspect of this grinder is its ease of assembly and use. After reading the quick start guide, assembling the grinder is straightforward. This grinder is ideal for individuals who enjoy making their own ground turkey breast for patties or grass-fed lamb for gyros, without needing a heavy, bulky machine. Its compact design and efficient performance make it a perfect fit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.